Rudy Giuliani is in massive trouble and he just lost his law license. It's been suspended by the state of New York indefinitely because he lied for Donald Trump in his capacity as the personal lawyer of the ex-president. I want to read you just a snippet of the decision. It says, the court ruled that they found there is, quote, uncontroverted evidence that the respondent communicated demonstrably false and misleading statements to courts, lawmakers, and the public at large in his capacity as lawyer for former President Donald J. Trump and the Trump campaign in connection with Trump's failed effort at re-election in 2020. And so basically what the courts have said was, you lied, and you didn't just lie as Rudy Giuliani, the guy, you lied as Rudy Giuliani, the lawyer, and specifically the lawyer to the most powerful man in the country and the world at the time. And there needs to be consequences for that. You were not just expressing opinions, you were using the clout of your legal credentials. You were a lawyer lying blatantly about the elections, about the Constitution, about Trump's ability to somehow be reinstated and blah, 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 blah. And you are a disgrace to the profession. This is a group of lawyers essentially all saying, screw you, Rudy. We don't want you in the lawyer club anymore. And this is richly deserved because Rudy Giuliani has made a mockery of the legal profession. Remember, this is a guy who, before he was mayor of New York, went to prominence based on being a lawyer. He was a prosecutor. He worked for a long time in prosecutorial efforts in New York State. He also worked briefly for the federal government, I believe under Reagan administration or the Reagan-Bush administration. The fact of the matter is this guy was once known as a competent lawyer. It's likely more deserved than his reputation as mayor, which has been vastly overstated. Rudy Giuliani wasn't that great of a mayor. But in any case, he could have retired on that legacy and gone down as at least a person few people hated. And now, because of the lies and his desire to look and feel important, his life is ruined. And this is all on top of the fact that the dude could still go to prison, whether it's the Ukraine stuff or any of the other things, or the fact that the FBI seized 18 electronic devices. This puts Rudy in an awful position, all because he lied for a dude that doesn't give a damn about him. And remember, Rudy never even got paid, guys. He never even got paid for the work he did for Trump that's essentially gotten him disbarred. Rudy deserves every bit of this. And the fact of the matter is, this puts Rudy in a really difficult position, because when it comes to the criminal cases, and when it comes to his ability to flip, and when it comes for his ability to be a reliable witness, let's say against Donald Trump, if he decides to flip against Trump or anyone else, now he's not just Rudy Giuliani the idiot, he's Rudy Giuliani the idiot who's such a big idiot liar that he's been effectively disbarred by his own peers. This is Rudy's done, guys. I think Rudy's done. Like, we could talk about how, rich white people get away with so much, but Rudy Giuliani, I think, when we're looking at the Trump and the Trump kids and the Trump organization and all the Trump hangers on, I think Rudy Giuliani has just moved right to the front of the I'm going to prison for the rest of my life line.